Wow.
Look at this stuff going.
Holy cow.
Put it back in and start to make our circle.
Look at that.
You're fine.
Not a problem.
Fish. Maybe. Hold on. No. Got caught up in the wave.
Look at these waves. This is
There's
awesome.
some swells on this thing.
The boat. I told you, 5
The
footer.
real thing.
You
This
could
is the
have a-
real deal.
You could have a 5 footer come up over the back like that and not get wet.
Wow.
Now that is a reindeer fishing.
Yeah.
Full-blown reindeer fishing.
All right, so get your line in the water before we get out there. Before we get in the harbor here.
Just having a good old time right now.
Show me one more time.
All right, to be continued. A lot of waves. Really cool. Boat's not a
All
problem.
there. It's a real boat.
Come over.
You gotta send me this video, Mike.
That's why they call it a back troller, because it's made to be backed into the wave.
Oh, really?
Because it's deep like that.
That's what this is for. This is the
It washes it right out.
washes right out.
You could even get plastic guards that come up like this high,
Oh, around the back of it?
just from the motor to the side.
Really?
So like left wave will press over.
Man, you can really get some chop in this boat.
This is nothing. 4-foot waves out in Lake Michigan. And it's like, are you kidding me? White
It's
cat.
not a salmon boat. I mean, but
This is a fun boat.
Better than any of my boats. I would have never had fucking my boats out here.
Man,
We've been gone. Crappie Slayer would have been at the bottom right now.
crappie slate would have been crappie done. Crappie bait.
like here comes the fourth.
Big one?
Maybe yes. Wow, maybe right here. Fine.
Sideways is okay like that?
Oh yeah. Came right over him, right?
Jesus.
He got a tip.
Jeez, look at this thing. Sold.
Sold.
My side.
It's the best $1,200 you ever spent. This is crazy.
This is nothing.
Man, if I was out there without you out right now, I'd be like, let's get back. I'd be shitting quick.
After doing it once, I want to just keep going, man.
I have been out in these waters before.
Really?
Twice, 3 times. Oh, it's so, you have to do it.
Really?
You can't stand up. In a boat this size.
This size?
Oh, big one.
Yeah, you're great. I'm sure once I get comfortable with it, I'll be fine, but
Throw up
this
in
is so, I mean, this is so impressive for his boat.
4-foot white caps out here, and it's like nothing.
50-mile-an-hour winds right now.
Look at this. Look at this swell. Look at this one coming in.
You're all right. You're fine, Mike.
Wow. That is cool.
Man.
All right, I'm going back to fishing.
You don't want to know the sound when you're in the next one.
I got you.
Unbelievable. Hey, it's a good lesson right now with Joe in the boat.
Sometimes the swells are very far apart, and sometimes they're really, really close. So you like go over the top of one and then just like touch the next one.
Oh, yeah?
You want to try to like
Almost skip it.
hit it like that so it doesn't hit the bow, but it hits like the middle of the boat, like right here.
If you got to throttle longer to get to the next wave, you want to do that. There you go.
Get it. Like a dirt bike.
That is wild, man.
This is a little shop out here. And then when you're riding the waves, you set them on the swell.
Off the trough.
Drop.
Trough's running.
Now you see this one coming in? Now ride it. There you go, and you're gonna come down.
Like that.
Yep. That's it. See how smooth it is?
It'll just kind of skate back and forth. Wide open.
There we go.
Come on.
Yeah.
You're all
Why
right.
don't you run it?
No, just keep going. We're good.
You'll be all right.
You can run this right in now. See how it's kind of running like this? So you would want to run out and then in. But you're fine. These waves aren't big enough.
Yeah.
No.
Wow. Look at this one.
We're right in the trough right now.
Yeah, look at. Just keep it running.
This is the drop, right?
Yeah, look at behind you. See? Hey, if you gotta speed up, speed up. If you gotta slow down, then slow down. There you go. Perfect.
That was neat.
That was cool.
Lake Michigan Cruising 101.